So normally I would start out Friday Night Flights with, this whole thing about all the great pilots, and there's a lot of great pilots tonight. But, the more I keep putting out videos, what I've noticed is people tend to believe that who I am isn't who I am online because they may not know me. It seems like people want me to be different. They want me to change. I don't know why. They don't like me. It's fine. I wanted to wear my suit today. I bought it. I was going to go to a convention, but the convention was canceled, so I even left the tags on because I didn't know if I was going to return it. But this is me. This is who I am. I try to do a lot for the community. I don't talk about what I do often because it doesn't need to be said. But if you've ever met me, or if you know me, you'll know that who I am is who I am, genuinely. And when I get comments like this, it just really takes the wind out of my sails because that's not me. I mean, what do they want me to do? They want me to change? I'm not changing. I'm not changing. I'm not fucking changing! The show goes on! This is my fucking channel, and they're gonna need a wrecking ball to take me out of it! Woo! He didn't put on pants! Friday Night Flights, Season 2, Episode 2 starts right now.